happens. The game expects you to report to Danse before he's a companion. Once companion options become available, the standard reporting dialogue might get overwritten. Solutions. There are two main ways to complete the quest despite the bug. 1. Report to Captain Kells. Alternative. Completing the Lost Patrol doesn't solely rely on Danse. You can talk to Lancer Captain Kells at the Cambridge police station. He should have a dialogue option allowing you to report your findings and complete the quest. 2. Progress Brotherhood of Steel quests. Potential fix. If reporting to Kells doesn't work, try advancing further in the Brotherhood of Steel storyline. Completing additional quests for the Brotherhood might unlock the reporting dialogue with Danse again. This isn't guaranteed, but it's worth a shot. Here's a detailed breakdown of how to report the issue using the alternative method. 1. Travel to the Cambridge police station. Fast travel or walk to the Cambridge police station, located in the northwestern part of the Commonwealth. 2. Locate Captain Kells. Inside the police station, head towards the main desk area. Captain Kells, a Brotherhood of Steel officer, should be standing behind the desk. 3. Initiate conversation. Approach Captain Kells and initiate a conversation with him. 4. Select the Lost Patrol dialogue. In the conversation options, you should see a dialogue prompt related to the Lost Patrol quest. Choose this option. 5. Report findings. Captain Kells will likely ask about your findings on the missing patrol. Describe your discoveries, and this should complete the quest. By following these steps, you should be able to bypass the bug and report your findings on the Lost Patrol to Captain Kells, even if reporting to Danse is unavailable.